how to scan for malware, spyware and viruses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here, so click on security and privacy. Now here, so click on app security. So after click on app security, click on app protections. So after click on app protection, click on scan phone. So after click on scan phone, you will see scanning is start. So after the process, you will see scanning is done 50%. You will see after done scanning, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can scan for malware, spyware and viruses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.